Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to decorate wood pumpkins. For pumpkin number 1, I decided to go with a color called Milk Jug, and I went ahead and I mixed that color with a red paint that I had on hand, and I gave my pumpkin around 2 coats of paint. So here I'm just taking some brown paint and I'm adding it onto the pumpkin stem. Okay, so next what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my leaf and adding hot glue, and I'll just add that onto my pumpkin. I also found these cute flowers at my local Dollar Tree, so I just went ahead and just cut off 2 of the flowers, and I'm just adding that on top of my pumpkin as well. That's actually it for pumpkin number 1. So it's just paint, the leaf, and the floral. For pumpkin number 2, I decided to paint my pumpkin white, and it's exactly the same. We're doing 2 coats of paint. Okay, so for pumpkin number 2, I decided to go with a decorative napkin and Mod Podge. So go ahead and take your scissors and cut out a section of your napkin. Okay, so next what we're going to do is take some Mod Podge, and using your paintbrush, you'll go ahead and apply some of that Mod Podge on top of the pumpkin. So once you have applied your Mod Podge, you'll go ahead and you'll take your decorative napkin and add that onto the top surface of your Mod Podge. Once you've done that, you'll take a second coat of Mod Podge and apply that to the top surface of your napkin. Okay, so now I'm using a color called Celery, and all I'm doing here is just painting the stem of my pumpkin. Okay, so now we're ready to work with the beads and the twine. You'll go ahead and you'll string on a few of the beads onto your twine. After doing that, you'll take the end of your twine and tie off a knot. Once you have tied off a knot, you'll take the opposite end of your twine and string it through the holes on your pumpkin. After stringing the twine through the holes on your pumpkin, you'll go ahead and you'll tie off a knot in the back side of your pumpkin. Using your scissors, cut off any of the remaining twine. And that's actually it for pumpkin number 2. I decided to go with the color celery for pumpkin number 3. And just like the other 2 pumpkins, you'll give your pumpkin 2 coats of paint. I decided for the last pumpkin that I would paint the stem a brown color just like I did for the first pumpkin. Okay, so for this, I decided to go ahead and use my wood tile letters. I just added a drop of hot glue onto each tile and added that on top of my wood pumpkin. Next, I just added on a leaf, and I took my 2 flowers that I had cut and I added that on top of the leaf. Okay, so that actually completes pumpkin number 3. I would love to hear from all of you if you would let me know which pumpkin was your favorite. For me, my favorite was pumpkin number 3. Thanks so much for stopping by and creating with me. I'll see you soon.